Don't say I'm not a mom just because my babies has 4 legs and fur. I feed and water them, bath them, take them to their vet appointments, buy their medicines, buy them treats, buy them toys, keep them updated with their shots, clean their wee-wee and poops, let them run and play inside the house, let them be the owner of my bed, protect them from danger, worry about them if they are ill or sick, comfort them when they are scared, take family pictures including them, and love them with all my heart. Yes, they are my babies, they are my kids, and I am their fur mom. Laugh at me, I don't really care. And I am a proud fur mom of these adorable babies. Happy Mother's Day to all the fur moms and moms out there. Thank you for your never-ending love and support to us. We love you all. Love Mami Lynn and Pamilya Balbons.